Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will show you how to connect a push button. First, we need a 12 volts power supply and an input. In our case, this will be input 1. Now, let's power up the system. You can see the indicator light turning on. Next, we open the Partner app and select the controller. Then, go to the Input section and click on Add. Choose the button and naming it Button 1. We'll select the pin, and since we connected it to pin 1, we'll choose pin 1. Click Submit, and now let's set up a virtual light to test the button. Go to the Output section, add a light, and add it to the dashboard. This will be a virtual light for testing. Now go back to the push button, click on it, scroll down, and choose which interaction you want to trigger. You can choose the tap, hold, or press for this action. In this case, I'll select the tap for simplicity. Click Save. Done, and now we're ready to test it. When I press the button, the light turns on, and when I press again, it turns off. It works perfectly. That's it. Thank you for watching PIERRE Academy.